Let's talk about something most people avoid but silently feel every single day. The difference between the way a man sees love and the way a woman feels love. Sexuality is not just about sex, it's about meaning. It's about the way two souls communicate without words. It's about expression. It's about the need to be seen and felt for who you truly are. For a woman, desire is rarely just physical. It's emotional, mental, and deeply spiritual. It's a sense of safety and deep connection that makes her body respond in ways she cannot control. But here's the truth many men miss. A woman's desire for you isn't something you can demand, buy, or beg for. It's something you inspire. And once you lose that spark in her, no amount of gifts, dinners, or apologies will bring it back. You can make love to her, kiss her, hold her, but if the emotional fire is gone, she will give you her body, but never her soul. And trust me, she knows the difference. You see, attraction for a woman is tied to respect and trust. If she doesn't feel safe in your energy, if she doesn't feel cherished in your presence, her desire will fade quietly. Not with shouting, not with a fight, but with silence. She will stop initiating affection. She will stop dressing up for you. She will stop laughing at your jokes. And the worst part? She won't tell you why. Because for her, if she has to explain it, the magic is already gone. Men often think women just fall out of love for no reason. But the truth is, she notices the little things before she ever leaves. She notices when you stop listening. She notices when your eyes wander. She notices when you choose your phone over her stories. She notices when you touch her out of habit, not passion. And she starts to emotionally detach long before she physically walks away. Now, I know some of you might say, but I'm doing my best. And maybe you are, but relationships aren't about doing your best in your own language. They're about learning to speak the love language of the person you're with. You can be a good man, a loyal man, a hardworking man, but if you're not emotionally connected to her in a way that makes her feel desired and understood, she will still feel alone next to you. This is why so many couples stay together physically but are miles apart emotionally. They share a bed but not a bond. They touch but don't feel each other anymore. And the longer this goes on, the harder it is to bring back the spark. Because love without desire feels like friendship. And desire without love feels like lust. What a woman truly wants is the rare combination of both. A woman's body reacts to the way you make her feel. When she feels safe, cherished, and adored, her desire flows naturally. She becomes playful, affectionate, even adventurous. She'll reach for your hand in public, kiss you in the kitchen, whisper in your ear at the most unexpected times. But when she feels unseen, when she feels neglected, her body shuts down toward you, not out of punishment, but out of self-protection. And here's something most men don't realize. A woman can stay in a relationship for years without truly being there emotionally. She can keep cooking, cleaning, smiling, taking pictures with you, all while her heart is slowly packing its bags. And when she finally leaves, it will feel sudden to you. But to her, it's been a long goodbye. Men think they lose women to other men. But most women don't leave because of someone else. They leave because of how they felt when they were with you. They leave because they stopped feeling wanted, respected, or emotionally safe. Another man is just a mirror showing them what they've been missing. So if you love her, truly love her, don't wait until she's halfway out the door to notice her again. Don't wait for her to stop asking for your time before you start giving it. Don't wait for her to cry before you start listening. Desire is like a flame. It doesn't go out instantly. It fades when it's not fed. And once it's gone, rebuilding it takes more than an apology. It takes consistent action and genuine presence. Remember this. A woman's desire is not a prize you win and then keep forever. It's a living thing that needs attention, care, and emotional connection to stay alive. Ignore it, and you'll watch it slip away quietly, without warning. Nurture it, and you'll have a woman who loves you deeply, passionately, and for life. And that's the kind of love most men dream about, but few actually get. Because they don't realize it's not about how much you do, but about how deeply you make her feel. So, to my magnetic mindset audience, if this message resonates with you, don't just listen, act. Look at your relationship with fresh eyes. Notice the details. Feed the flame. And if you're watching this, make sure you subscribe, because I promise you we're going to keep diving deeper into what makes love last, what keeps desire alive, and how you can create the kind of connection most people only fantasize about.